Hello, I'm Andy Off. In 2019, Metro began a 4-year project consisting of customer safety improvements and platform rehabilitation for aging platforms at 20 stations across the region. Funded by our capital improvement program, this project was Metro's largest, most complex capital construction project since the Metrorail system opened nearly 5 decades ago. Dedicated dollars from our capital program allows us to improve safety, reinvest in the local economy, and keep the region's infrastructure in a state of good repair.
Completing this project required assembling teams from across Metro, including rail, bus, engineering, and many more. This enabled us to develop a construction strategy that gave contractors 24/7 access to the work sites, improving project efficiencies. Closing the stations completely in a phased approach was the safest, quickest, and most affordable way to complete this work. In addition to completely rebuilding the station platform edges, we also installed slip-resistant tile, modern next train signs, new platform shelters, and more to enhance our stations.
This project required significant coordination with our regional partners to ensure our customers could continue moving forward uninterrupted. With our frequent shuttle bus service, we provided over 3 million customer trips, helping keep cars off the road while the stations were closed.
We're excited for the future as we continue to tackle infrastructure upgrades to deliver a sustainable, world-class transit system to the National Capital Region.
Thank you to our customers.
Thank you to our employees and contractors.
Thank you to our regional partners, like the transit providers, local officials, and others who made this project possible.